Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to study the effect of increasing the size of the plate and its consequence on the natural frequency and mode shapes. So we'll be considering a plate like so, which has the dimensions of 500 by 500 by 2. However, the material is still the same, which is steel with all the material properties. We're going to be comparing this plate versus a standard plate, which is still made up of steel, but rather has the dimensions of 100 by 100 by 2. And we're going to compare the natural frequency and mode shapes in both cases. Now, as always, the plate is constrained along the perimeter, like so. And these are the boundary conditions. So the plate has 1849 nodes and 1764 elements. But however, there are certain nodes that are constrained and will not be, taking part in the simulation. So we need to subtract those and multiply by the degree of freedom per node to get the total degrees of freedom of the plate. And which finally leads us to the matrix that has to be solved. In this case, it's a 10,086 by 10,086 matrix, which will be accomplished by using the Bloch-Lanczos eigenvalue extraction. So we perform the simulation and we get the results. I have extracted the first 8 modes, and these are the natural frequencies for the first 8 modes. Now we'll go through the mode shapes. So this is the first mode at 71 Hertz. This is the second mode at 146 Hertz. Third mode again at 146, but the mode shape is different. The fourth at 215 Hertz. Fifth at 262 Hertz. Sixth at 263 Hertz. Seventh at 327 Hertz. And eighth again at 327, but different mode shape. Okay, now we compare, the natural frequency of the large plate that we just simulated against the natural frequency of a standard plate, which is 100 by 100 by 2. So the only difference between these two is the size, and the material is still the same. So we clearly observe that the natural frequency is different. In fact, it has gone down for the large plate. Now let's compare the mode shapes and see if they're same or different. So this is the first mode shape. So on the left, you see a normal plate, which is 100 by 100 by 2. And on the right, you see a large plate, which is 500 by 500 by 2. So the first mode shape looks same. This is the second mode shape. It's different. The third mode shape, again different. The fourth, it is same. Fifth mode shape, well, close. Sixth one, similar. This is the seventh, somewhat different. And the eighth, little different. All right, to conclude, what we did in this study was only alter the size of the plate. We increased, instead of 100 by 100, we increased to 500 by 500. So we approximately increased it 5 times. So the only thing that was changed was the structural property. We didn't change any boundary conditions. So as a consequence, definitely the natural frequencies changed. In fact, they shifted downward. But the mode shapes have also changed in certain cases, but in certain cases they have remained the same. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.